How to create PDF in AppSheet. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create PDF in AppSheet. Firstly, go to AppSheet and open the app where you want to create the PDF. From the left menu, select Automation Bar. Then create a new bot to trigger your PDF creation. Choose when the bot should run. Under Process, click plus New Process. Then choose the task Run a task, then create a file to generate a PDF. Set the file type to PDF and upload, or create a Google Docs template with tags. Link your Google Docs template file in the Create a File task settings. Then define a dynamic name and choose a location in Google Drive. Add an additional task to send an email with the PDF attached. Add or update a record to trigger the bot and check the PDF output. Thank you so much for watching.